Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Cherry Gardens and we're giving you a tour of the residences of Cherry Hill. Now Cherry Hill is in Cherry Gardens, and as the name implies, it is a hill at the top of Cherry Gardens. Now this is a luxury development. Amazing. Just look at the view. It's going to be townhouses located at lot 26 Cherry Hill. Now this development seems to be moving a bit slow, but it is moving, and look at that retaining wall they have built around the development. Very impressive. Alright, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. The Residences of Cherry Hill in St. Andrew, Jamaica is a modern hillside housing development that highlights the country's move towards luxury residential construction. Located in the Cherry Gardens area, the project offers elegant villas and apartments designed to take advantage of Kingston's scenic views while maintaining privacy and comfort. Construction began after approvals from the National Environment and Planning Agency for subdivision and housing on Lot 26 Cherry Hill Drive. The development features reinforced concrete structures with contemporary designs, large glass windows, and energy-efficient finishes. Special attention was given to slope stability, drainage, and road infrastructure to meet hillside safety standards. Each home is built with modern amenities such as private balconies, landscape surroundings, and 24-hour security. Communal space, including pools and parking facilities, add to the appeal of the upscale community. Its proximity to central Kingston also makes it ideal for professionals and investors seeking a secure, high-end environment. Overall, the residences of Cherry Hill reflect Jamaica's growing confidence in luxury real estate development. Through careful planning, sustainable construction, and elegant design, the project blends natural beauty with modern living, showcasing a new standard for residential architecture in Jamaica. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.